In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace header font. Let's get started so you can give your website the fresh look it deserves in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Head over to your preferred web browser, type in squarespace.com, and hit enter. This will take you right to the main Squarespace website. Now you'll see a Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on that. This will begin your journey into editing and personalizing your Squarespace website to better suit your style and branding needs. Once you're into the main dashboard, it's time to hone in on the specifics of your website's appearance. Click on the option that says Edit Site. You'll find this option prominently displayed once you're in the dashboard, and it is your gateway to making all the stylized changes you desire. Take a moment to load into the main site customization screen. From this screen, you can control various aspects of your site's design, but for now, we're focusing specifically on font changes. Under the website section, you'll find an option called Styles. Click on Styles, and then look for an arrow or chevron symbol next to Fonts. This is going to allow you to access the plethora of options available for customizing text on your site. Fonts play such a crucial role in setting the tone and personality for your website, so you'll want to spend a little time here exploring. When you're in the Fonts menu, you're presented with a range of fonts that Squarespace offers. You might already have an idea of what you're looking for, or you might want to explore a few different options to see what suits your brand's personality best. Be sure to consider readability and style to maintain consistency with your site's theme. Choose a font that appeals to you and fits well with the overall aesthetic of your website. It's always a good idea to preview your selections to see how they look before committing. Once you've made a selection, you'll notice that the right side of your screen displays a handy preview of your website. Any changes you make to your site's font will immediately show up there. This real-time preview feature is fantastic because it allows you to instantly see how your font changes affect the look and feel of your site without any commitment. If you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget the all-important final step, to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually found in the top right-hand corner, and give it a click. This will ensure that all your hard work isn't lost and that your site displays beautifully with its new header font to all its visitors. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed the header font on your Squarespace site, helping you to create a visually cohesive and attractive web presence.